First, type regedit in the Start menu to launch the registry editor. Once it's open, navigate to the path. HKEY_current_user, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then CurrentVersion, then Explorer. In the right panel, right-click, select New, and then click 32-bit DWORD to create a new value. Name the new value Alt+Tab Settings, and set its value to 1 by double-clicking it. You can find the path mentioned in the video description for easy reference. After that, you can either restart your PC or simply restart the Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then, right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. And that's it! I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.